BODDAMN, another fitness vlog. Let's see where it takes us. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris with the BODDAMN channel. This channel is all about food, fitness, and how to live an active, healthy lifestyle. And yeah, we're just gonna open up a fitness vlog on this one. If you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button. Put a comment down below if you choose. You can follow me at BODDAMN on Instagram. A lot of fun. It's early in the morning. It is sub 32 degrees and it is, yeah, it's cold. The gym opens at 10 o'clock. We had a big ice storm yesterday. Here in Austin, Texas, that's not something that happens a whole lot. So I don't know, I just feel like a bum. I just sat around all day yesterday, watched a bunch of dumb stuff, and yeah, now it's time to go get a lift on. Very important. Let's go. Like, what is all this white stuff? What is this stuff? That doesn't belong here. What is that white stuff? What is that? What is this crap? Trying to warm up the truck, and it is not going very well. It's nice and toasty in there, I bet. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Yeah, totally laid around all day yesterday. Just, I don't know, just need to feel productive, you know what I'm saying? So today is Friday, it's a Friday workout. See where the rest of this vlog takes us, but it's very important to get this workout done, so let's get to the gym. It opens at 10, do it. 25 degrees, that's perfect weather for just a full body workout, isn't it? Get me out of here. I mean, having only experienced it for like one day, I kind of know what cabin fever feels like. I just want to get out of this place. I'm just gonna get out. I need to do some things. I need to put my life forward. I need to build a brighter future, like those kind of things. There's hardly anybody out here like driving around. It's probably not a good sign, you know, maybe I shouldn't be, but the ice is kind of off the ground, so what's the big deal? This is the thing about Texas, especially like Houston, San Antonio, Austin, is when there's ice or like snow, like everyone freaks out. They even freak out with rain, which is nuts. Like, anyway, so just drive real slow, you know, have a good SUV, should be fine. Hopefully the gym's open. Hopefully they didn't sit there and like stagger like the opening time like 2 hours later. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. All right, we made it to the gym. Today we're gonna do a little heavier full body workout. So, I mean, anything's better than nothing. I do have to be home in about an hour and 30 minutes, so I'm gonna put the push on this workout for sure. I might stagger the abs, which I usually do in the beginning of the workout. I might just take that to the, you know, I might take that to the house level later on. Yeah, I'm just glad to be here. It seems like it's open. There's probably gonna be nobody in there, which is gonna be different, you know, because there's usually like a bunch of commotion in that gym. If there's like nobody there, it's gonna feel like a ghost town, but that's okay. Let's go get a workout done. Fantastic workout. Now I'm outside of TFN Nutrition, which is in Northwest Austin. This is the place where I get all my sups. Today I'm gonna get some saw palmetto, which is good for the prostate and hair. Just gotta knock it out. Are they out of saw palmetto? No. This is the best company ever for saw palmetto. All right, so I got out of TFN Nutrition. It's always a pleasure to see Yvonne. She's the lady that owns the place. I'm telling you, there's some people that changed my life, and she 100% has changed my life, 100%. I've been buying from her for the past 3 years. She does ship across the USA and all that kind of stuff. If you do live in Austin, Texas, or close to Austin, it's worth seeing Yvonne at TFN Nutrition at Lake Creek Parkway and 183. So it's in Northwest Austin. Anyway, she's like a wizard when it comes to supplements. I mean, total wizard. So I went in there for saw palmetto, but I walked out with Ultra Prostate Formula by Life Extension. What I like about Yvonne is she'll make sure to steer me in the right direction each time, even though I keep, you know, I buy all my vitamins and stuff like that from her. If there's something that I can upgrade to, and today she asked me, she's like, wait, you're 40 or over? I was like, yeah. She's like, you need to be taking this instead. This has the saw palmetto in it. So I'm gonna be on this Ultra Prostate Formula. This is just one of many things that I'm on. and it should not only benefit me in the prostate region, but other ways too, and the hair and all that kind of stuff, and cancer protective kind of stuff. She showed me all kinds of research, and it's kind of cool. Another thing that I bought from her is her own brand. It's called Mag Relax. It's a TFN nutrition brand. It's basically magnesium, and when you combine it with like warm water or kind of hot water, it turns into magnesium citrate. Either way, this is good to relax at night. It's very good for your muscles as well, and I actually put a 5-gram scoop of glutamine when I take this at nighttime. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, magnesium, I've heard about that. Isn't there a product out there that's kind of like that? And absolutely there is, and it's called Calm. And a lot of people buy it, but you usually take it right before you go to bed, and it does actually like relax you out a little bit. So Mag Relax, she has her own. It's cheaper than Calm. I like it. Non-GMO as well, which is really good. So I trust that. Supports rest and relaxation, supports nerve, bone, and cardiovascular health. I've been on this stuff for a while, probably over a year. You can never have too many supplements, especially if you work out a whole bunch and you start doing a bunch of cardio like I do. I think there's only so much that a normal diet can get you, and to get adequate levels, if not above adequate levels because of, you know, lifestyle, I think it's important to get the right kind of supplement protocol and vitamin protocol down. But more importantly, it's good to buy the right brands that have the perfect amount of bioavailable stuff that you need. So the brands that I like: Life Extension, Wild Harvest, Nordic Naturals, Thorn. Those seem to be the ones that I mess with the most. All right, so I'm back at the house, and I think it'd be a good time to show you guys exactly what I usually eat on my first meal of the day. Get out of here, white stuff. You better melt. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. I don't like you guys. My truck did slide around a little bit today, but it wasn't terrible. So let's take a look at what my first meal is. Here we go. We have 5 pasture-raised eggs in there, 3 pieces of Canadian bacon, about a third to sometimes a half can of black beans, and I'm gonna put an avocado on top. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Then I'm gonna put some of my favorite sauce on top. Well, it's a good sauce. I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but it's good. It's by Yellowbird, and it's the jalapeno condiment right here. So that will all be done. I had a smoothie from TFN as well. I'm trying to plan out the rest of my day, but I think it's gonna involve taking my bike to Central Austin for a little bit. Maybe I'll get a ride in while it's still nice and sunny. The high is like 31 degrees today, but it does feel almost like 50 in the sun, so that's important. I gotta get some sun every day. So it's officially the next day, and it being a Saturday, it's time for what I call WPT, which is weak point training. Basically, I'm gonna go in and just work out some of the weak parts, or the parts I need to catch up a little bit. Usually on a day like this, I end up doing like arms. Just an arm circuit, maybe some calves, and that'll be it. The workout usually lasts like 15 or 20 minutes. Like I go in there and I smash it all out. I do 2 all-out sets of like triples on things, so hopefully some of this footage will help you understand some of that. But yeah, I'm pulling up the Lift ATX, which is like this indoor-outdoor kind of cool gym over here, and I'm just gonna knock it out. Shouldn't take very long at all. All right, that was a good workout. Time for a smoothie. What's in this smoothie? 4 scoops of organic muscle vegan protein, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 banana, a tablespoon, heaping tablespoon of cacao nibs, heaping tablespoon of cocoa powder, heaping tablespoon of chia seeds, and a heaping tablespoon of flax meal. That's what's in here. Water, ice, you know, the rest of that stuff. Time to put it down. And by the way, if you want to save 15% on anything Organic Muscle, I'm sponsored by them. First link down below, maybe second link down below actually. Second link down below, Organic Muscle, that's the official link, and use code BODDAMN and you can save 15%. All right, our day has brought us outside here at Town Lake. Well, basically, it's a lake, sort of a river. There's like a 10-mile track that goes around it, and you can cross over like certain bridges and make it like a 3-mile, 6-mile, whatever. It's a beautiful day outside, so I think I'm gonna get like somewhere between a 3 and a 6-mile ride done. Nothing crazy. Beautiful day. I don't even know if there's a cloud in the sky. Do you guys see one? I don't see one at all. Yeah, let's get this ride done. You know, if I was just walking around, I wouldn't need this jacket. But on a bike, start to go pretty fast. It's about 46 degrees outside, and it will get cold. I already know it will, so gotta get into a jacket. That should be it. Yeah. Oh yeah, gotta put my hair back too. Very important. Having long hair is cool. Sometimes it's not cool at all. This is one of those times. That's why you gotta put it back. I don't know if I really miss having short hair at all, but certain times I do miss it. Today I'm riding the OM Duro. It's one of my favorite bikes. It's like a BMX with gears, 27.5-inch wheels, fat tires. Super cool. Love this thing. So, all right, let's go. Every single day you should get some cardio in. It's really important. Fantastic ride, and hey, it's a beautiful day, so why not satellite dish just a little bit? If you don't know what satellite dishing is, it's kind of like my term when you lay out, when you get sun, and you try to do it a little bit every day. If you can't do it every day, maybe 3 or 4 times a week at 15 minutes a piece. But yeah, satellite dishing all the way. Hey look, this poop is satellite dishing too. You know, it's probably like 48 outside, and it feels like 80 in the sun, like this. If it's really cold and you want a satellite dish, by the way, pro tip, wear gloves, wear like a beanie, wear some awesome shoes. Perfectly fine to satellite dish. You have to cover up where your heat would typically escape in your body. But yeah, you can satellite dish in like 30-degree weather if you really wanted to. It's the next day. I'm about to go lift with my friend Trenton. We're gonna do a chest and back workout at Lift ATX. Woke up about an hour ago. I mean, I'm feeling good. It's a little cold outside, so I'm sporting the little flannel here. I got my pre-workout in the truck over there. You can barely see it probably. It's in the green thing. I have some meals as well built for after the workout, so I'll show you guys that, and then we'll cap the video off. 25 minutes later down the road, and here we are at Lift ATX. I don't know if you can really see through the window, but yeah, it's a beautiful day outside, and it's about 46 degrees, so we're gonna get a little chest and back workout done. My friend Trenton's somewhere in there. That's what we got on the gains syllabus today. Gotta get psyched out, man. It's harder to get warmed up when it's cold, obviously. And for most people, they experience that once every now and then. If you go to this gym during the winter time, it happens like all the time, obviously. So gotta, you know, spend some time warming up for sure. Oh yeah, I forgot to get my pre-workout. It's actually in the dumbest container ever. This is an Isogenics container from like way back in the day. It's not good stuff. It's basically powdered meals. Like, it's so stupid. That said, I have Organic Muscle pre-workout in here, and I have 5 grams of arginine. So it's time to put this down the hatch. Let's get some lifting done. All right, they're building our future over there. You can hear it. Sounds good. Here's Trenton. He's getting warmed up. We're gonna proceed with back first. Don't know if you can hear me, but I don't know what the hell they're building over there. I really don't know. Hopefully it's something cool. Well, yeah, we gotta get warmed up. So we got some bands right here. We're gonna use some of this stuff, and then we'll get into the workout. Fantastic workout. I know I forgot to show you guys the stuff that I ate after the workout. I'm kind of tired. But yeah, I'll kind of describe it right now. I had some protein oatmeal, which is basically oatmeal with a little bit of chia seeds, oat milk, and Organic Muscle vegan protein. So I had that. That kind of like, I put that in first on my body to kind of pull the blood from around the muscles back to the stomach area. And then about 30 minutes later, I had 5 eggs, 3 pieces of Canadian bacon. This was all scrambled up, black beans, and a avocado, and some kind of sauce on top. Today it was Valentina sauce. But I do want to cap off this video soon, and I want to show you what I bought from Costco, so you can kind of get conceptually like an idea of like what I eat during the week. From Costco today, this is only 114 bucks, like nothing super crazy. There's only one thing here that's for my girlfriend, which is this Harmless Harvest, the best coconut water on earth, organic coconut water. And you'll know coconut water is the best when it's pink. So if you're drinking any coconut water that's not pink, then it's basically pasteurized. All the good stuff's gone. So this is the best one, but it is the most expensive. This is like 13 bucks. Pineapples, which is good. I don't have to go organic for pineapples because it's got such a thick outside that many times the pesticides don't make it actually into the fruit itself. So I got 2 of those. We have some more Canadian bacon, which this is the Canadian bacon I get from Costco. And it's a pity that it's not organic or non-GMO, but you know, this stuff is pretty good. It's all natural, cherry wood smoked. I mean, there's just no substitute to this unless I want to spend like an extra $10 a week buying it from an organic store, which is kind of hard. But anyway, this is by Jones at Costco. This was like around 9 bucks for all of this. Another pineapple. We have avocados. Of course, avocados are just a staple in my diet. We have some organic blueberries right here that are frozen. This goes in my smoothies. For late night snacks, I like this organic mango chunks. So you can kind of see what this looks like right here. Right? It's for smoothies. At night, I put like a half of it in a bowl, like I fill up half a bowl with that stuff, and then I put the microwave on 25 seconds, and then it becomes this really good soft, you know, low calorie thing that I can eat as like my very, very last meal of the night. Then we have some sliced grass-fed beef right here, which is good. It's already pre-sliced. You just have to like do a minute on each side under high skillet heat, and this stuff becomes super ready to go. And then under that we have some tonkatsu ramen, or whatever it's called, miso ramen. There's nothing organic or healthy, really, sort of. It's not really healthy at all, right? It's got wheat, it's got gluten in the noodles. It's not the healthiest thing, but it was 8 bucks from like a top price of like 13. Decided to pop on that because, you know, for 9 bucks having a meal for 2 people at night while you're watching movies, it's pretty cheap if you think about it. Considering if I go to any ramen place here in town, it's like minimum $15, maybe $17 for a good bowl of ramen. So that's what's going on through my head a little bit. Organic cauliflower stir fry, which is pretty cool. This is at Costco right now on deal. This is around $8.50, and these things are great for getting that low calorie carb into your meals. So for next week's meals, I'm gonna be putting that organic cauliflower stir fry. And then for my girlfriend, I also bought this high keto cookie thing for her, which has 0 added sugars. And erythritol is what they use right there. And I think they even use stevia for the stevia extract. So this is actually pretty good. It's made with almond flour too, so it doesn't have any wheat or gluten. It's grain-free, it's keto friendly. She's not keto, but you know, this is a pretty good sweet thing to have at night if she wants that. So that's the Costco haul today. Actually, we have some oat milk back there too. And that oat milk, I'm gonna try to get away from that, but I have to find a substitute and a reliable place to get oat milk that doesn't have added sugars. So that's real important. I think in general, I'm going to convert all my milk to flax, like organic flaxseed milk, which has more protein, no carbs, and you can find it organic, and it doesn't have any sugar. So, you know, when you're trying to get lean and you're trying to build this amazing physique, you got to really start cutting out all that added sugar, whether it's cane sugar or high fructose corn syrup or whatever. I like to have my sugars from naturally occurring substances, or honey, stevia, things like that, monk fruit, fruits. So like I said, just filming this section just to give you guys some context of some of the things that I eat during the week. Obviously, this is not everything that I eat during the week, but it's some of the things, and hopefully it can inspire you guys out there to make some healthy choices with your food too.